आज हम बात करेंगे द भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता 2023 के बारे में, जिसमें कि चैप्टर 1 प्रिलिमिनरी की बात करता है। इसमें सेक्शन 1 शॉर्ट, टाइटल, एक्सटेंट एंड कमिटमेंट की बात करता है। सेक्शन 2 डेफिनेशंस की बात करता है। सेक्शन 3 कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ रेफरेंसेस की बात करता है। सेक्शन 4 ट्रायल ऑफ ऑफेंसेस अंडर भारतीय न्याय संहिता 2023 एंड अदर लॉज की बात करता है। एंड सेक्शन 5 बात करता है सेविंग्स की। अब बात करते हैं चैप्टर 2 की, जो कि बात करता है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ क्रिमिनल कोड्स एंड ऑफिसेस। सेक्शन 6 बात करता है क्लासेस ऑफ क्रिमिनल कोड्स की। सेक्शन 7 बात करता है टेरिटोरियल डिविजन्स की। सेक्शन 8 बात करता है कोर्ट ऑफ सेशन की। 9 बात करता है कोर्ट्स ऑफ जुडिशियल मजिस्ट्रेट्स की। सेक्शन 10 बात करता है चीफ जुडिशियल मजिस्ट्रेट एंड एडिशनल चीफ जुडिशियल मजिस्ट्रेट एक्सेट्रा की। सेक्शन 11 बात करता है स्पेशल जुडिशियल मजिस्ट्रेट की। सेक्शन 12 बात करता है लोकल जुडिक्शन ऑफ जुडिशियल मजिस्ट्रेट की। सेक्शन 13 बात करता है सबऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ जुडिशियल मजिस्ट्रेट की। सेक्शन 14 बात करता है एग्जीक्यूशन मजिस्ट्रेट की। 15 स्पेशल एग्जीक्यूटिव मजिस्ट्रेट्स। 16 लोकल जुडिक्शन ऑफ एग्जीक्यूटिव मजिस्ट्रेट। 17 सबऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ एग्जीक्यूटिव मजिस्ट्रेट। 18 talks about public prosecutors. 19 assistant public prosecutor. 20 directorate of prosecution. Chapter 3 talks about power of courts. Section 21 courts by which offences are triable. Section 22 talks about sentences which High Court and Session judges may pass. 23 talks about sentences which magistrate may pass. 24 sentence of imprisonment in default of fine. Section 25 sentence in cases of conviction of several offences at one trial. Section 26 mode of conferring powers. Section 27 power of officers appointed. 28 withdrawal of powers. 29 powers of judges and magistrate exercisable by their successors in office. Now we will talk about chapter 4 powers of superior officers of police and aid to the magistrates and the police. Section 30 talks about powers of superior officers of police. 31 talks about public when to assist magistrate and police. 32 aid to person other than police officer executing warrant. 33 talks about public to give information of certain offences. 34 duty of officers employed in connection with affairs of a village to make certain report. Chapter 5 talks about arrest of persons. 35 talks about when police may arrest without warrant. 36 procedure of arrest and duties of officers making arrest. 37 talks about designated police officer. 38 right of arrested person to meet an advocate of his choice during interrogation. 39 talks about arrest on refusal to give name and residence. 40 arrest by private person and procedure on such arrest. 41 arrest by magistrate. 42 protection of members of armed forces from arrest. 43 arrest how made. 44 search of place entered by person sought to be arrested. 45 talks about pursuit of offenders into other jurisdictions. 46 no necessary restraint. 47 person arrested to be informed of grounds of arrest and of right to bail. 48 talks about obligation of person making arrest to inform about arrest etc. to a relative or friend. 49 search of arrested person. Section 50 talks about power to seize offensive weapons. 51 examination of accused by medical practitioner at request of police officer. 52 examination of person accused of rape by medical practitioner. 53 talks about examination of arrested person by medical officer. 54 identification of person arrested. 55 procedure when police officer deputes subordinate to arrest without warrant. 56 health and safety of arrested person. 57 person arrested to be taken before magistrate or officer in charge of police station. 58 person arrested not to be detained more than 24 hours. 59 police to report apprehensions. 60 discharge of person apprehended. 61 power on escape to pursue and retake. 62 arrest to be made strictly according to Sanghita. Now we will talk about chapter 6, processes to compel appearance. A is summon. It talks about section 63 to 71. So section 63 talks about form of summons. 64 summons house out. 65 service of summons on corporate bodies, firms and societies. 66 service when person summoned cannot be found. 67 procedure when service cannot be effected as before provided. 68 service on government servant. 69 service of summons outside local limits. 70 proof of service in such cases and when serving officer not present. 71 service of summon on witness. Now we will talk about B, warrant of arrest. Section 72 talks about form of warrant of arrest and duration. 73 power to direct security to be taken. 74 warrants to whom directed. 75 warrant may be directed to any person. 76 warrant directed to police officer. 77 notification of substance of warrant. 78 person arrested to be brought before court without delay. 79 where warrant may be executed. 80 warrant forwarded for execution outside jurisdiction. 81 warrant directed to police officer for execution outside jurisdiction. 82 procedure on arrest of person against whom warrant issued. 83 procedure by magistrate before whom such person arrested is brought. C talks about proclamation and attachment. 84 talks about proclamation for person absconding. 85 attachment of property of person absconding. 86 identification and attachment of property of proclaimed person. 87 claims and objections to attachment. 88 release, sale and restoration of attached property. 89 appeal from order rejecting application for restoration of attached property. Now we will talk about D, other rules regarding processes. 90 talks about issue of warrant in lieu of or in addition to summons. 91 talks about power to take bond or bail bond for apprehension. 92 talks about arrest on breach of bond or bail bond for appearance. 93 talks about provisions of this chapter generally applicable to summons and warrants of arrest. Now we will talk about chapter 7. It says processes to compel the production of things. A talks about summon to produce. Section 94 talks about summons to produce document or other things. 95 procedure as to letter. B talks about search warrant. Section 96 talks about when search warrant may be issued. 97 search of place suspected to contain stolen property, forged documents, etc. 98 talks about power to declare certain publications forfeited and to issue such warrant for same. 99 talks about application to High Court to set aside declaration of forfeiture. 100 talks about search for persons wrongfully confined. 101 talk about power to compel restoration of abducted females. Now C talks about general provisions relating to searches. Section 102 direction etc. of search warrants. 103 persons in charge of closed place as allowed search. 104 disposal of things found in search beyond jurisdiction. Now we will talk about D, miscellaneous. Section 105 talks about recording of search and seizure through audio, video, electronic means. 106 power of police officer to seize certain property. 107 attachment, forfeiture or restoration of property. 108 magistrate may direct search in his presence. 109 power to impound document etc. produce. 110 reciprocal arrangements regarding processes. Now we will talk about chapter 8.